As per the most recent long-haul figure, Cardano cost will hit $0.5 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $2 toward the finish of 2026. Cardano will ascend to $0.5 inside the extended period of 2029, $3 in 2031, $25 in 2033 and $4 in 2034. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5 on N78. Today, Cardano exchanged at $5.96, so the cost diminished by 1% from the outset of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.62, and the year-to-year change plus 171%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 175%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.12 per $1 Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.86. In the last part, the cost would lose $20 and close the year at $1.66, which is plus 182% to the ongoing cost. The conjecture for later, close to days and months. Monday, Feb $26.59. Tuesday, Feb $27.60. Wednesday, Feb $28.60. Thursday, Feb $29.61. Friday, blemish $1.61. Saturday, blemish $2.61. Sunday, blemish $3.62. Monday, blemish $4.62. Walk $15.67. April $15.80. May $15.93. June $15.106. July $15.116. August $15.25. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.66 to $2.85, which is up 72%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.66, then at that point take off to $0.77 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2. That implies plus 239% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $2.85 to $4.24, which is plus 49%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $2.85, then take off to $3.02 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $3.19. It is about plus 441% from today. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $5 on N78. Today, Cardano exchanged at $48.88, so the cost diminished by 18% from the outset of the year. The determined Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.35 and the year-to-year change plus 126%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 176%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.93 per $1 Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.55. In the last part, the cost would lose $0.17 and close the year at $1.38, which is plus 182% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.38 to $2.37, which is up 72%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.38, then take off to $1.48 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.67. That implies plus 242% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $2.37 to $3.52, which is plus 49%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $0.37, then at that point take off to $2.51 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $2.65. It is about plus 442% from today. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $5.978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $5.378, so the cost diminished by 10% from the start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.37 and the year-to-year change plus 129%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 155%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.93 per $1 Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.43. In the final part, the cost would add $0.06 and close the year at $1.49, which is plus 177% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $0.49 to $0.79, which is up 87%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $0.49, then at that point dip to $0.40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.44. That implies plus 168% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $2.79 to $5.41, which is plus 94%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $0.79, then at that point take off to $3.04 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $3.12. It is about plus 499% from today. Swanza 12 into 4. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $4.59.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at $4.59.57, so the cost diminished by 0% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is down 0.71 and the year-to-year change plus 186%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 187%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.16 per 1 Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $0.78. In the last part, the cost would add $0.08 and close the year at $1.86, which is plus 212% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.86 to $3.48, which is up 87%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.86, then dip to $1.75 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.80. That implies plus 202% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $3.48 to $6.74, which is plus 94%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $3.48, then at that point take off to $3.79 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $4.02. It is about plus 575% from today. 12,150,2023. Cardano value expectation 2023-2024. Cardano cost began in 2023 at $1.2040.45. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.6372, so the cost expanded by 161% from the start of the year. The Guaj Cardano cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.05 and the year-to-year change plus 329%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 65%. In the main portion of 2024, the Cardano cost will move to $1.11. In the final part, the cost would lose $13 and close the year at $1.08, which is plus 69% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2025-2029. These 5 years